Mexico! Yeah!
Where's your truck at? Where's your truck at? Exactly.
That's good. That means I keep up with my vehicles.
You do not keep up with
That Ultima kept up too.
Yeah. What you don't keep up with that diabetes.
No, he said it's good because the chart went red. He's like, what do I win this time? Like, I'm about to lose 2 more toes in the truck. All of them little piggies, they ain't going to the market no more. Bro, I told you it would have been easier if we just took the shit to your house. You want me to shoot anything with the dirt truck?
Yeah, do it.
I would take this pin out and fucking push this motor forward.
Bro, do it. I want to see it. What the hell? I see the fucking girth on his Johnson, bro. What's up, baby? I ain't even gonna lie, bro. Fuck this. I should have stayed my ass out.
Kevin said he wanted a raise.
So did Adam. Look where it got him. The transmission, it only had like 2 apparently, so don't worry about finding
And no dowels. But I ordered some dowels for the bell housing.
He doesn't use
How
it.
did he not have dowels?
It didn't.
It had to have dowels. 100% had to have dowels because there's a plate that gets held on by dowels.
Doesn't have a plate either.
Because
The
there's a
plate's
plate
right there. With this car, you know, I don't know.
The dowels are in here.
It's got it?
Damn, Richard, you're a shitty liar.
Wow.
You're a worse
The
liar
dowels
than you're
are
a
in the
husband.
transmission or something?
You played yourself. Hey, welcome to the Clown Show, starring Richard.
Say, who wants Richard to go home? Raise your hand.
So, what happened? Y'all were playing dice and you won, or who lost the trailer?
He lost.
He
the
lost.
Are
I
you
have a
talking about
video
the day that
too.
Chris was there?
No, where's the video at? I got the video.
What?
Bro, we start rolling
I would
dice
have
for
just went home
20
and like, I
roll.
get my trailer off leaving.
How does it go from 20 of
To a
roll
fucking trip.
to 16,000, bro?
He owed me 1,200 too.
Yeah, he lost 1,200 to him, and he lost 16,000 to me, bro.
But did you pay?
No.
So you never closed
No,
out.
at the end of the day, he's like, no, we're just. I'm like, bro, like when he rolls for 4,000, he's like, boom, he puts it on paper. He's like, if you win,
And
I'm
I had
gonna
that
send it
idea.
to you. I said, bet, bam, I win. I said, send it to me. He's like, no, roll again for
No, but
8,000.
you rolled a 3, so that didn't even count.
And
Well,
you
oh, so now the rules
Yeah, but
change.
my rules.
It's my house, my rules, and I hit the 3 when you're not supposed to hit the 3s, right?
You've been hitting plenty of threes your whole life. I think he's Curry with all them threes he's hitting.
You got dice?
I don't play dice. You know, flip.
No.
How much money you got?
Huh? How much money you got?
Cash, so I don't know PayPal.
Alright,
We got 5.
Alright.
We'll start little. We'll start little, dog.
fuck?
Only if he guesses weight right. Heads. What kind of flip was that?
Oh, damn, that's it.
Psych! Give my money. Oof. Hell yeah, we eating Robinson tonight.
Oh,
He called it.
for 20?
Yeah.
Corner.
Oh,
Heads. Corner.
hell yeah, you're pretty fucking good, bro.
It's tails.
Is it really?
Yeah, it's tails, bro.
Jesus Christ. Another 20.
I'm good. Thank you. Appreciate you.
Another 20.
Head.
Wherever it lands.
Head.
That's tails.
Tails.
Is it? Yeah.
I was thinking about calling tails. So I was like, you know what? It goes 3 times in a row.
It will. Against the
Tails
hand.
never fails.
Ready? Again?
Where you put it up? I got 100. For real.
Just one bet. One. Just
You wanna
one.
bet?
You're not
Let's
against
go.
him.
Alright, hey.
Let's do 20.
Bet him 100. I got 100 in the
20.
truck.
No.
Come on, you're
I
playing
ain't
it.
gonna, no, I ain't doing it.
Alright, 20.
Call it or am I
I'll call it. Head.
Tails.
Something's wrong with this coin.
I was hoping that actually was hoping to really lose that time.
Not tell me.
Oh my god.
How? How does this break? It's Richard. This cheap ass fucking kid.
Rebranded hard to break. Broke it?
Inside the frame.
But now I can't do.
You got win?
Yeah.
Inside of your crib.
Fake news. You're fake news.
He's like, God damn it, bro.
So what broke?
The pulley installer?
Oh, okay, cool. Thought it was my crank again.
No,
They broke in the
inside.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool. You have a magnet? A long magnet?
Right here. Isn't this a magnet? Fucking crank sensor.
Yeah.
I go look for one. Am I supposed to pull this up?
Yeah.
You got it. I told you.
Let's go.
I'm such a genius.
Imagine if you woke up before noon.
That's so true. So sad. It flipped, you
It
idiot.
don't matter, bro.
Yeah, it does. So this was tails. It's just fucking, yeah, it's odd.
Yeah. Unless it lands on green and then you get nothing.
I just said that. Hey, that we were talking about that. We're like, we're gonna go to casino, bro.
Yeah,
At 5,000. He's like, I'll put 5,000 on red and you on black. I'm like, hell yeah, bro. So green on land. We'll be fucked.
Double zero.
Yeah, it is. You gave it to me. This is mine. Yes, it
How
is.
it? No.
That one's mine
Let
because
it
I
go.
claimed it. Okay.
It's only from me and Mitchell.
Ta-da, it runs.
Yeah, another news, we got the center caps on.
How'd you make it work?
I grounded these calipers down until they turned into different looking calipers.
Oh, I seem to remember that we got those so that we wouldn't have to grind anything.
I don't know who told you that. The only reason why we're changing calipers and rotors is because,
So you don't have to grind.
yeah, that person's a liar.
Regret.
It's good now, solid. I have touched the truck over the last couple of days. Don't think that it's just been sitting. We removed the vacuum booster, ran the Hydro Boost stuff, the Hydro Boost pedal. These brakes now operate hydraulically instead of with vacuum. We can just foot brake it and it'll launch, pretty hard every time. We decided to go Hydro Boost anyways because we're gonna be playing with this thing on the street quite a bit, and we need to be able to stop.
You can do whatever you want when you buy it. How about that? If you give me 65 grand, you can have it.
The only time you're gonna be able to sell this to me is whenever it's broken. Be like, take this piece of shit. Is it logging right now?
I did it myself.
All that.
It hasn't checked engine light. I don't know. What am I paying for all this service for?
They sent you a revision. It's hot. What do you want me to do? I'm used to working in the AC.
So what are we looking for number-wise?
Depends on what Brian wants to turn it up to on the dyno. We can make anything close to what it made previous. What it make, like 1300 or 1390 or something?
I think 1390.
So.
Is it time?
To go out there and dyno the Mustang? Maybe. I mean, yeah. TBH. I just don't know if I'm going to be able to be out there and
Yeah.
be involved. If anybody wants to work here, make barely above minimum wage, get yelled at, drink some monsters, get fucking belittled every day, send me your resume, brian@mexicoRacingLeague.com. I'll probably hire you. But you can't complain.
Oh yeah, because we don't do that.
Levi's like, don't do it. give him the good news.
Hey,
Dude, I've been driving this thing on the fucking beltway at various RPMs to try to break this motor in.
why did it interrupt a couple days?
Because we don't have AC in that car, and you want me to put 1,500 miles on it?
You wanted to do.
No. You said 1,500 miles, 10-year warranty, 100,000 mile warranties. That's what I did. I drove it around beltway for like 6 days in a row for an hour a day.
You're lying, aren't you, man?
I'm just letting you know.
Have y'all done any pulls on it? Have y'all done any checks? Is everything good?
It sounds good.
Auto said it sounds healthier than it's ever sounded. And I said, well, it's motor compression.
Nah.
Hey, do you want this crank or I need to sell it?
How much is it? $4,000? That's it? You tripping? Your business can't support $4,000 extra? If you charging the other customers worse than me because you don't like them, like you like me, I know you making money. I will pay for it at some point. I just got other fish in the oven right now. Okay. I'm gonna send you a video. He's lucky it lived.
1330.
Yeah, we've done 1398 before. That was maxing out the 1700 cc injectors. I think we got a little bit more wiggle room on these 2600s. I think last time we tried to do 35 pounds and it made, or 34 pounds and it leaned out and made 1398. So I think the car will make all of 1500 if we push the 40 pounds that we want to. We have the unlocked 4R200, which is automatic tranny, almost the TH400, and then the 9-inch rear end. The drivetrain loss on this car is much higher than your average S550. It's on the big tires. I mean, they're dyno numbers. The car's trapped 178 before in the quarter mile, so I know it makes power. I try not to get too caught up in the dyno numbers with this one, so I don't particularly want to chase a number with this car. I just want it to go fast.
When are we gonna take it to the track?
I don't know. Video with Aldo. Let's go to the colors real quick. All right. Huh?
What is this?
For the paint
The
colors.
Taquachian? Let me tell you something. You need to paint it Pablo Escobar white like that.
Like that? That's
Like
the original
that.
color. You don't like that one?
No, bro, that's too much fucking.
No.
That's like good for like Houston import days.
That yellow.
That yellow's nice.
It'd be popping. Oof.
Has that.
Mary Kay. I have to sell makeup for my wife to pay for these cars.
That's it?
That's it.
I mean, I can make whatever color.
How about you get to fucking work? Yeah. All right. Bye.
You boys like Mexico? Yeah!